so Christian here is going to go ahead and set up an OCTA 5. And the key point here is that he's got to start on the fixed ends, not the end with the rabbit ears. And at this point, he has a lot of experience. He's actually left these attached. Me being a rookie, I would undo them like that rod there, so that I'm not putting any undue pressure on it. But he has a little bit more technique or skill, and you can see he's working it lengthwise, so he's actually expanding the size of the OCTA without actually putting much pressure on the poles yet. When it really becomes tricky is when he moves around to the side. You see there, he's adjusting it to the top of the white strap. Then when he comes around here, he's going ahead and releasing that, never having those with any tension, taking the adjustable rabbit ear portion and pulling it out, and then inserting it in. As you can see, he doesn't have any tension on the top portion. Now he's going to do the same there and click it in, and he's releasing some tension that's there, pulling it up. Me, I'm a little bit less confident, so I'll go ahead and not necessarily fix them to their finished positions until I have all the poles in, which is what I would typically advise most people to do. And you see here, he's just positioning. He's trying not to put a lot of pressure and tweak these bars at this point. If you do, then you'll end up having to straighten your rods. And again, bringing his item up to the position of the top of the white line, that's what that's there for, as a guide for you. And now it's taking shape, and we can test our theory if it's taking shape properly here by, where did you place the diffusion? Right here?
It's there, yeah.
This is more of a custom circular diffusion. But if you notice here, I'll let him even do it by himself. You notice he'll start on one side and press there, and he'll actually work his way around to the opposite end and affix that there, just to make his life a little easier. And I don't know if you even notice, he tends to even use his leg or his thigh as pressure that he's using while it's built there, just to give it a little tap. Most of the time what we're doing is just getting a center point. Once you have the center point, then he just goes ahead and fixes it and slides his fingers from the left to the right portion. Again, you'll go ahead here and just go to the center one. Just makes his life easier to put it on, not walking around the whole thing, hoping that the developer doesn't fix in the wrong position. He's prevented that from happening.